Make a free cartoon animation from A to Z in 2025, full tutorial. Did you know that today, you can create a professional-looking animated film, completely free? In this video, I'll guide you step by step, from idea and script writing, to character creation, animation, and exporting the final video. Even if you're a total beginner, don't worry. Just follow along, and you'll have your own animation ready. Let's get started. Step 1. Idea and script. You just need a simple story. It could be a short tale, a lesson, or even an inspiring quote. To speed things up, use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate an animation script in seconds. Pro tip: keep the script short and easy to visualize for each scene. Step 2. Next, character creation. There are many free tools to start with. ToonMe, Canva. Turn photos into cartoon-style characters. Ready Player Me. Free 3D avatars. Or use Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI to generate unique characters. Start with 1 to 2 main characters for clarity and storytelling focus. Step 3. This is the fun part. Making your characters move. Some easy-to-use platforms. Animaker, Freeplan, Simple Drag and Drop, Capwing, Canva, Quick Scene Creation, Runway ML, Gen 2, turn text into AI-generated animation. Just pick a background, drop in your characters, add simple movements, and you're set. Pro tip: keep scenes short, 5-10s, for smoother editing and better pacing. Step 4. Animation comes alive with sound. You can use 11 Labs, Free TTS, Natural Voiceovers, Pixabay, Mixkit, Free Background Music. Choose a warm, clear voice and soft background music to boost emotions. Step 5. Finally, export your video and upload it to YouTube. Don't forget an eye-catching title, detailed description, and attractive thumbnail. You can also repurpose short clips as YouTube Shorts to attract more viewers. And remember, it doesn't matter how small you start. Once you begin, you're already ahead of 90% of people. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment below about which AI or online income tutorial you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.